Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best whitening strips is probably one of the most convenient ways to achieve a brighter smile from the comfort of your home. These strips promise noticeable results in just 30 minutes, making them a quick solution for those with busy schedules. But do they live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of 30-minute whitening strips, exploring their effectiveness, ease of use, and what you need to know before you buy. Number 5. Crest 3D Whitestrips Vivid Plus Teeth Whitening Kit. Want a whiter smile? This kit is clinically proven to whiten teeth up to 8 levels in just 12 days. It's the #1 dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening kit. Are stains holding you back? These strips effectively remove years of tough stains. Get ready for a brighter, more confident smile. Worried about safety? This product uses the same enamel-safe whitening ingredient that dentists use. You can whiten with confidence. Need convenience? The advanced seal technology ensures the strips stay in place. You can talk and even drink water while using them. What's included? The kit comes with 10 treatments, each with upper and lower strips, plus 2 bonus 1-hour express treatments. It has everything you need for a dazzling smile. What we like? This kit promises to get you 8 levels whiter in just 12 days, making it perfect for those last-minute touch-ups before a big event. It removes years of stains, giving you a noticeably brighter smile. If you're looking for a quick and effective whitening solution, this is a great choice. What people say? My teeth are noticeably whiter. They're super easy to use and stay put while I go about my day, which is a huge plus. I started to see my teeth getting brighter after about 4 applications. Number 4. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects Teeth Whitening Kit. Tired of stains? This product offers professional-level whitening results, removing years of stains, just like a professional treatment. It's perfect for any special occasion. From the #1 dentist recommended at-home teeth whitening brand, this product uses the same whitening ingredient that dentists use. It's enamel-safe and highly effective. The advanced seal technology features a no-slip grip. You can talk and even drink water while using it. Add it to your daily oral care routine. This kit includes multiple whitening treatments, each with upper and lower strips. There are also bonus express whitening treatments included. Get ready to reveal a brighter, whiter smile with this product. It's a simple and effective way to boost your confidence. What we like? This product offers professional-level whitening results, removing up to 25 years of stains. The advanced seal technology ensures the strips stay in place, allowing you to go about your day. If you want a whitening experience that rivals professional treatments, you should consider this. What people say? This stuff really works. It significantly whitened my teeth to the point where I love to show off my smile now. Definitely lighted up my teeth. Not uber white like you see in some of the before and after pictures, but much more so closer to normal, white teeth. I've probably only used 10 of them out of the box and already noticed an incredible difference in my teeth. Number 3. Crest 3D Whitestrips Glamorous White Teeth Whitening Kit. Are you looking for a brighter smile? These white strips from Crest are designed to give you just that. They are a convenient way to whiten your teeth at home. This kit is clinically proven to remove over 15 years of stains. It's perfect for anyone wanting a whiter, more confident smile. You'll see a noticeable difference. These strips use the same whitening ingredient that dentists use. They are safe for your enamel and highly effective. They are from the #1 dentist recommended brand. Thanks to advanced seal technology, the strips stay put. You can talk and even drink water while whitening your teeth. It's a hassle-free experience. Each kit includes 14 treatments, with upper and lower strips. Plus, you get 2 bonus 1-hour express treatments. Get yours today, sold and shipped by Amazon. What we like? This kit removes over 15 years of stains, giving you a dazzling smile. The advanced seal technology ensures the strips stay put, so you can talk and drink water while whitening. If you are looking for a reliable and effective whitening solution, this is the one for you. What people say? After just 14 consecutive days of using the Crest 3D Whitestrips Glamorous White, my smile is undeniably brighter and more radiant. The strips effectively combat stubborn stains from coffee, tea, wine, and tobacco, leaving my teeth looking fabulous and refreshed. I have tried other products, the Crest strips work the best. Within the use of 4 strips, over 4 days, my teeth are much whiter. Number 2. Crest 3D Whitestrips Sensitive Teeth Whitening Kit. Are you bothered by stained teeth? This product can gently remove stains accumulated over 15 years. It helps you regain your confidence with a brighter smile. Do you have sensitive teeth? This whitening kit is specially formulated for sensitive teeth. It allows you to whiten your teeth without discomfort. This product is accepted by the American Dental Association. You can trust its effectiveness and safety for your teeth. This whitening kit uses the same whitening ingredients as dentists. It provides professional-level whitening results in the comfort of your home. Worried about enamel safety? This product is enamel-safe and effective. It whitens your teeth without damaging your enamel. What we like? This product is specially formulated for sensitive teeth, gently removing stains without causing discomfort. It's accepted by the American Dental Association, ensuring its safety and effectiveness. If you have sensitive teeth but still want a brighter smile, you should consider this. What people say. My teeth are noticeably a bit brighter. I experience no pain at all with these and I do see whitening results. These definitely work. Number 1. Crest 3D Whitestrips Professional Effects. Want a brighter smile? This product offers professional-level whitening, achieving up to 19 levels whiter teeth. It provides results comparable to a $400 professional treatment. From the leading dentist-recommended brand, this product utilizes the same effective whitening ingredient as dentists. It's enamel-safe and delivers noticeable results. With advanced seal technology, these strips stay in place, allowing you to talk and drink water while whitening. It offers a convenient and comfortable whitening experience. Each kit includes 22 treatments, with strips for both upper and lower teeth. Plus, you get bonus treatments for a complete whitening experience. Get ready for your special day with this teeth whitening kit. It's perfect for weddings and any event where you want to look your best. This will give you a confident smile. What we like? This kit offers professional-level whitening, promising up to 19 levels whiter teeth. The advanced seal technology ensures the strips stay in place, allowing you to go about your day. If you want the most dramatic whitening results, you should consider this. What people say. After just a few uses, I could visibly see my teeth getting whiter, and by the end of the 20-day treatment, the difference was stunning. The strips stick really well, no sliding around or weird mess, and the treatment time is super manageable. These are easy to apply and become part of your morning routine after brushing your teeth. I would only use them once a day and the results were shocking after the box was gone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.